I have had conversations, obviously, with Newbury Franklin Industrial and other executives talking about business or bringing the business to Noblesville, and I would say this one thing. Noblesville is a place where it invests in its community, it invests in its schools, it's investing in the growth of your company and making sure that you are fully satisfied to do what you need to do. So I'm very confident in the direction Noblesville is going. I see it being developed all around us. I see the types of companies that are they're bringing in. I see the higher tech companies. I see the opportunity to put our products in warehouses that are being built up. I think it is definitely in a position where I can collaborate and build these relationships with these new companies and being able to see if there's opportunities for us. But what I see from Noblesville and the growth that they're putting into this community is a place where I will continue to stay, put our roots in, grow, and also continue to live.